Welcome back to another episode of MK's Kitchen. Today we are making coconut shrimp. We got our grease, our oil getting hot over here. We got our little stations, our seasonings, our shrimp. So let's get into it. So first we're going to start by seasoning our shrimp. We're going to start off with a little bit of Old Bay. Then we're going to take a little bit of pepper. Next, we're going to add a little paprika for some color. And just a little bit of salt. All right, y'all, give that a nice stir and let those seasonings get on your shrimp. Okay, time for our stations. So in our first station, we have all-purpose flour. I added some of that sweetened coconut to the flour as well. Let's get a little bit more coconut flavor. Then we have like 2 eggs that we've scrambled, and that's going to be our egg wash. Then we're going to put that in our coconut shreds and just pat that down. Make sure our coconut is sticking to our shrimp. Give that a nice little shake, and we're going to put that to the side on our rack to let it rest and get all of those ingredients coated to our shrimp. And you're just going to continue to repeat that process for all your little shrimpies. Okay, y'all, so now that our shrimp have rested, you can see how pretty they look with their little coconut clothes on. We have our oil that has been heated up to 350 degrees, and we use our thermometer to make sure that our temperature was correct. And we're just going to place our shrimp in here until they're golden brown on each side. So about a few minutes on each side. We're going to flip them over, and you can see they're golden brown already. Let's give them a nice little flip and let them cook a few more minutes on the other side, and then we'll place them back on our rack to rest. Ooh, you can see how golden our shrimp are. They are done. Just shake off some of that excess oil, and like I said, place it on your rack and let them cool off. Give y'all a little up close of our coconut shrimp. They are ready and beautiful. Look at them. So y'all, let's get ready to plate them and do a little drizzle. So of course, y'all know I love some parsley to garnish. So we're gonna garnish our shrimp with just a little bit of that. And then we are going to be taking some of Mike's hot honey with some chilies. And that is going to be our sauce per se. But this is so good with his hot honey. Y'all have to try this. Let's get an up close. Ooh. I love coconut shrimp as an appetizer in restaurants. So this recipe comes pretty close. Makes the perfect little snack on the side, a little lunch. I hope y'all try this recipe. I'll see y'all later. Bye.